Introducing the ET-FDR012BK, a tactical manual folder known as the Guardsman, brought to you by Elite Tactical. The Guardsman boasts the revolutionary rapid lock, providing secure and swift blade deployment. Notably, after the knife is opened, a fold-out handle guard emerges, adding an extra layer of protection and confidence during intense tasks. With the added convenience of a pocket clip, this knife is ready to accompany you on any adventure. The Guardsman's impressive D2 blade measures 4 inches. The 4.75-inch handle is made with black nylon fiber. The fold-out guard is a unique and innovative feature, now brilliantly integrated into this compact and versatile tactical folder. To close the knife, simply position your fingers away from the blade's path. Pull in the rapid lock, and with a quick flick of your wrist, the ball-bearing pivot smoothly guides the blade back into the closed position, while the guard automatically folds back against the handle, ensuring a secure and hassle-free closure. You can also deploy the blade with the rapid lock. First, pull back the rapid lock to unlock the blade, and quickly flick your wrist outward while releasing the rapid lock at the same time, so the blade will lock into position once it is fully opened. Whether you're a professional in the field or an everyday carry enthusiast, the ET-FDR012BK Guardsman is the epitome of innovation, safety, and performance, making it a must-have addition to your tactical gear collection.